Hey, hello everybody. Here's a Lionel 8602 steam locomotive with tender. The Lionel 8602 was made in early to mid 1970s. It headed up a starter set which was called the Black River Freight 8602 steam locomotive with the Rio Grande's oil tender featuring a mechanical sound of steam, also called the bean chugging tender. And these locomotives actually have a universal AC motor with a 2-position E unit. You can control the lever up here if you want to deactivate the E unit and just run in either forward or reverse. These also have an operating headlight. Lionel MPC slightly modified the body of these plastic scout steamers, removing some of the detail right here, and they also removed the whistle detail ornamental piece in the front. They added a ornamental bell right here that's chromed, but this one is missing it. They're easily lost, easily broken off actually. Kids love to run these engines at high speed, and these are pretty lightweight, and they will fly off the track. Areas to check for brakes include right here. You'll find it often that this piece right here is broken off. Another area to check for brakes is going to be right here in the window seal. The strut is sometimes broken, the bell, and then of course always check your cow catcher in the front. Those are your typical areas of weakness with this model of locomotive. Lionel MPC really upgraded these engines. When you compare this locomotive to the post-war predecessors from, let's say, 1948, the original 1001, and then the later 1061, 1062 engines, many of which had no operating headlight. They ran in forward only. They had plastic motors. This again has a all-metal universal motor. It operates on either AC or DC current. It has a 2-position reverse unit. So in comparison to the post-war locomotive, this is actually a far superior engine. Again, these locomotives are not really given much credit by Lionel MPC enthusiasts even. Let's give her a reverse. Oops.